Hey everyone, welcome back to Modern Shaver. It's Wednesday, June 5th, and I acquired some knives today, and I just wanted to share that with you. Here we have a collection of 5 knives that I bought today. You've got a pretty hefty cleaver. It's a Chinese-made cleaver. I'll probably sharpen that up and just sell it because I've got quite a few cleavers. This one here looks like a Japanese gyuto, but it's kind of hard to see there. Cleverest son's wife knife, super fines is what it says. This is actually a really light feeling knife. Feels pretty good, not very heavy at all. I'm curious to know how it's gonna cut after I hone it up. This one here is an Excalibur. It says Eaton Excalibur stainless steel, Japan. Kind of looks like a boning knife, I'm not really sure. Doesn't look like a keeper. Seems pretty good, but we'll see after I sharpen and see how it cuts. This one here is a butcher's knife, light. This one is pretty sharp already. And it says Alfred Zanger Company, stainless, Portugal. This one here looks like a Japanese deba knife. For those of you that don't know, a deba knife is usually used for cutting up fish, filleting fish and so forth. It differs from our traditional Western fillet knife, but for the most part it is used for fish. What's interesting is that on the back here it says IKEA, made in Japan. And it is stainless steel, so I'm curious to know how this particular knife is going to perform. I'm going to give it a nice polish, sharpen it up, and see how it cuts. Seems fairly nice. It is blade heavy. It's not very balanced, as you can see. Needs some more weight in the tang here, but I'll give that a sharpen and see how it goes.